A comprehensive study on blue eyes technology consuming non-natural intellect. Abstract. The world of science and technology has improved a lot in many areas. It is developed like ocean in many fields. Many developments prove that how a human brain can think in many aspects of development. The scientist had a thought of after inventing Google Assistant, that if Goggle Assistant can makes job easy without typing in Goggle related applications and can control the calls with our voice in device. This created a huge impact in technology and society. So this made many scientists to think that when we invent a device or application which can sense the user's mind by facial recognition, speech etc. So, it would create a friendly environment to system users. Then they also thought if a system can detect a human brain and respond the answer to the user, how it will be. That was the question running over minds of many scientists. Then later they invented a technology called blue eyes technology. These blue eyes technology can detect the human feelings through a device. It can detect a feeling by eyes, speech recognition. It can also understand our mood and feelings. It can also react to our commands given by the user. This technology created a boom in which human can collaborated to systems. This sensing technology in blue eyes can extract the key information from the user. The reason for the success of this blue eyes technology is that the computer senses the human's feelings. Keywords: blue eyes technology, Bluetooth, reorganization, emotion, visual reality, human interaction, communication, technology, information procurement component, vital scheme component. Introduction. In today's world, people spend most of their time in sitting in front of the computer by gathering information, watching movies, chatting, etc. Blue eyes technology is the blue refers to Bluetooth and I refers to seeking information from our feelings. This technology was created to give computer human power like sensing the emotions of the user. This technology can identify our emotions and understand our emergency situation. It understands our emotions while just touching the mouse. From there it can get our information and seen our feeling. This reduce the half work of the user and it create a stress-free IT field. This technology, when it is implemented in all the working places, it reduces human error which leads to many mess or complication. It can see our feelings through Bluetooth with transmit information from that sensors to eyes. The reason for choosing eyes to contribution is, in our body the major parts of facial reaction is done by our eyes. By seeing the eyes of one person we can judge their feelings, so we can understand one's behavior with his eyes. There are many technologies in blue eyes, such as it is used in Bluetooth technology for connecting devices. It is used to gather accurate biometrics results for the patient. This technology helps to detect users' mood and adopt according to it. It is used in field of virtual reality to understand the user's feeling and give results according to it. It also gives many additional information to the users more than their thoughts. 2. Literature review. 1. The general framework in the blue eye technology is the users can enjoy all the entertainment fields with the help of touch and feel. The outcome involves all the applications of real-life uses in day-to-day life, and then it also involves many features of games and advertisements. 4. A general framework by Santosh K. Gaikwad and Bharti W. Guvle represented the concepts in sensing the blue eyes technology because it is considered as a important features for human to computer mode. 8. In the paper of Reddy, K described the advantages and disadvantage of artificial intelligence and the ways how to use them in real life. In paper 2, Priya R. Baghi, blue eyes technology involves the creation of many new methods and modules in the fields of many applications and real-world entities by eye contact and voice input. 7. The main idea of the author is to give the computer the power to collect the human emotions and react according to it, human eye moments and facial reactions of human, then react to it like a friend. 5. In this study of blue eyes technology we can get view of Bluetooth, how it plays the major factor to the blue eyes, and we can interact to this technology with our feelings and emotions. 9. Amir Ali and Adriana Tapas has taken a different idea that interact a human robot which will able to understand the feelings of the human and able to interact between them. 7. A general algorithm by Renu Nagpal, Pooja Nagpal et al. Creates a new technique which involve a term called biometric. It uses human behaviors and activity to detect the output. 3. Parts in Blue Eyes technology. Blue Eyes technology consists of a. Mobile measuring device, or information procurement component, IPC. B. Vital scheme component, VSC. A. Mobile measuring device, or information procurement component, IPC. In Fig. 1. Is used to detect the correct signal to the system as a mobile component system. The main function of it is to collect the physical and logical data from the sensor to forward that to vital scheme component, VSC, to process. IPC incorporates various hardware modules such as system core Bluetooth section, ATmel89C52 microcontroller, EEPROM, beeper, LCD display, HD44780, LED indicator, voltage level monitors and 6A batteries. DAU incorporates various hardware modules such as system core Bluetooth section, ATmel89C52 microcontroller, EEPROM, beeper, LCD display, HD44780, LED indicator, voltage level monitors and 6A batteries. Fig. 1 Information procurement component. B. Vital scheme component, VSC. Vital scheme component is a remote system. This remote system associated in Blue Eyes technology. This central system unit primarily contains code pulse code modulation, PCM. In Fig. 2. Reveal the video and database connections. Fig. 2 Vital scheme component. This code can be normally utilized for voice data transmission and it can remote Bluetooth module. It is used as mini jacket that can be attached for utilization of sound information gathering. 4. Methodology. There are different measures of centrality used in emotional sensor. 4.1 Hand emotional sensors. 4.2 Eyes emotional sensors. 4.3 Voice emotional sensors. 4.1 Hand emotional sensors. There are two types of hand emotional sensors. They are 4.1.1 Emotion mouse, 4.1.2 Semitic mouse, 4.1.1 Emotion mouse. Emotional mouse is like common mouse that we use in our normal computers, but they have many components that are useful to detect the feeling of the user. These types of mouse include the features like recognizing face, gesture, eye tracking, etc. It has an adapting mechanism to adapt to different mood to user's wish. Comparing to other device in Blue Eyes technique, this emotional mouse has highest performance. It has brain-computer interface, BCF. This BCF is useful in making the system smart and adaptive. This emotional mouse can even identify users' fear, happiness, anger, surprise, tired, hate, etc. This can gather information by simple touch by the user, it's seen the whole emotion and deliver information according to that user's wish. The emotional mouse can also be defined as tracking emotions of the user by simple touch on the mouse, and it is an input device to track the emotions of the user. 4.1.2 Semitic mouse. Semitic mouse is modified mouse comparing to normal computer, and it is also different from emotional mouse. It has some components different from emotional mouse. Its work is also to identify the user's information. 4.2 Eyes emotional sensors. There are three types in eyes emotional sensors. 4.2.1 Expression glass. 4.2.2 Magic pointing. 4.2.3 Eye tracking. 4.2.1 Expression glass. It is an easy wearable and comfortable device. Any user can try this glass. It will feel like virtual reality glass. The glass will see the user's interest level and give the information. By sensing the user's expression, information will be given to the user. 4.2.2 Magic pointing. Magic pointer deals with the eyes glaze pointing method. This method gives excellent mouse pointing method to the computer. Selecting and controlling the cursor can be manually maintained by glaze tracking mechanism. It's also called as magic pointing. Its advantage is it has good accuracy and it has good speed in operations. 4.2.3. Eye tracking. When light source hit the eyes that rays from the eyes that reflect to that device, this is called eye tracking. 4.3. Voice emotional sensors. 4.3.1. Artificial intelligence and speech recognition. For artificial intelligence, speech recognition technology is very important. Microphone is considered as input to collect our voice. While using microphone, our voice tone, noise level, grammar is very important. Microphone is important of influence the speech recognition system. The manner we speak is very important in this recognition system. It delivers the output based on the user's input level. Artificial intelligence has two basic ideas that are I. The first process involves in the study of human beings. 2. Second, it deals with collecting that process presenting to machines, e.g., robots. Artificial intelligence means machines that performs humans' actions or behavior. It has natural language processing, NPL. It refers to communication with computer with natural language. The main use of natural language processing program is to understand the input and performs action based on that input. The words which is given as input by us are scanned by the computer that match the information in the system which is internally stored in the system that is called words. In this way a user can communicate with the computer with his language. Blue eyes applications in real life. The technology can be used in automobiles for simple touch computer device. Electric power stations for sensing the measures of current. Generic control rooms use this technology for sensing. Used by flight communication and control purpose for accurate voice transmission. Medical people use this technology for operation. Used in robots and military purpose. Used in household gadgets and control system in our rooms. Used highly in speech recognition. 6. Advantage of Blue Eyes technology. To speak about the Blue Eyes technology advantages, it has high accuracy and fast in speed. Compared to other technology, there is no need of high physical effort comparing manual level. This technology gives different forms of information. We can make proper and accurate survey in biometrics field. It can recognize fingerprint and it's well secured than other technology. It makes less error compared to manual works in technological field. This technology even uses biometrics for accurate results. 7. Challenges in Blue Eyes technology. It's not basically affordable by common people. This technology can assess by well-knowledge people. The system and its cost are bulky. There are many health issues in using many devices in Blue Eyes technology like expression glass and eye tracker. It's really not reliable and make people addict to this technology. 7. Conclusion. Today's world is growing up with many technologies. Blue Eyes technology is very useful in many aspects of technology. It provides user a friendly and interactive environment. It makes the user's job simple. When a person starts to work in Blue Eyes technology, will like this technology because it is easy to work. Eyes movement and wireless technology makes users interesting to use this technology. This technology will reach high in one day and reach our mobile phones. In future this technology will bloom the technology market. This is a technological forecast. 8. Future enhancement. In future Blue Eyes technology helps us to detect our humor easily and can monitor our fitness with the single touch. We can also implement this technology with GPS and it's used to detect our car traveling route. The technology also support to detect the people condition with reference to meteorological conditions. We can also implement the technique in household electric device, with the help of our vision. It will deeply reduce the space between humans and electronics appliances. We can use in army and security control. In army we can restrict the terrorists by coming in the borders and with the help of biometrics found in the security camera to detect the person at remote spaces. We can provide an advanced development plans by using the technique. For this technology the security camera should be connect with the detecting sensors. For security purpose for house we can restrict strangers by entering in our private spaces. When the security camera finds a stranger, mismatch of biometrics, it will give a call to the police and gives an alarm sound to us. While connecting the technique with computer, it provides us to work as friend. It can be used in medical field where it detects the patient's physiological mood, then giving counseling to them. Using eye movement, we can lock and unlock our details in devices that we use in real time. It has a limitless module involved in this technology where we can find many interesting developments in our real life.